Welcome back to the market forecast week 1 of August 2026. If you are trading stock or futures this week, don't place a single trade until you watch this video. Today we are breaking down everything you need to know about the market. We will cover Nasdaq, NQ, S&P 500 ES, metals, gold, silver. Then we will analyze some of the biggest companies in the market, including NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Meta, Broadcom, AMD, Walmart. Most importantly, I will show you where buyers are stepping in and where sellers are defending. So let's get started from number one, Nasdaq. Nasdaq Future is heavily influenced by technology stocks. Companies like NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google significantly have a more weight here. Because of that, NQ tends to move faster than ES. This week, technology stocks showed a little bit of a dip the whole week, and at the point here, if you can take let me expand this so you guys can see. If you can see this point, 27,200 points, there were buyers stepped in and had a really good bullish candle, and they closed it somewhere around 28,400 levels. So here, if you can see, there is a two things going to happen. This black line represents 200 moving average and the blue line here represents 50 moving average. Currently we are above 200 moving average and below 250 moving average. So what I will see for the next couple of days that these will still rally to upper move, and if there is anything coming big, then I might think that market tends to go down and somewhere around here 26,000, and then it will go up. But for now, for the next week or two, I guess there is a still chance to market push a little bit higher because of these big green candle shows that there are heavily buying pressure at the point here, 27,500 to 27,200. So let's move to number second, ES. ES represent the overall US stock market and it's one of the best indicator of institutions' money flow. This week, Bayer managed to hold somewhere around 7,500 levels. It had similar response to that NQ. So if you can see, there is a big black candle, and then again there are buyers stepping in at 7330 level, and it pushes to higher. What I will see here, we are at the 50 moving average here and above 200 moving average. So I would see that this will still go push forward for next couple days and see if they can break this level. This is the resistance level at 7630 somewhere. So if this will break, then I see there will be another rally in the market. Moving to next, GC. Gold often moves differently from stocks and markets. Investors usually buy gold during the period of uncertainty, like we are currently in the war phase. So if you can see, I previously marked down the level here, and this is the level it touches to 3965, and it went up. But I still see here we are still below than 50 and below than 200 moving point average. So what I will see for the next week, if this breaks this 50 moving point, then I will see the next stop is this one, 43.54. If this breaks, then we are again into the bull run, but I don't think that will be going to happen because there is so many uncertainty right now. Oil price is increasing, that inflation data changes every month. So like the main thing I think to watch is to move this point. Moving to silver, silver so similar as gold. It has support level 54,985 and it's still here at 58,045. It's under 50 moving average and under 200 moving average. So I would still see if it's not moving up, then it might be going down somewhere here around 52's level, and there will be another rally we can see. But yeah, for now, I don't see any movement for the silver. So if you guys are buying silver, pay attention to this level because I don't see that going anywhere from the last 2 months or so. Right now, we covered NQES, gold, silver, and we are going to move into the top 10 stock. Starting from number one, NVIDIA. NVIDIA remains one of the strongest company leading AI revolution. Here we can see there is earning coming up on July 26th this month. It's on August 26th this month. But here if you can see, so what is happening at the NVIDIA. If you can see, this is the support level for NVIDIA. It touches couple time and then went up. Here we are at the 200 moving average. It touches and then it went up. So what I'll see for the next week is I still see it is very bullish at this point, because after touching that 200 moving average and support at the same time and then having another big green candle, meaning it will go up more. But if you guys are buying, please careful, we are still under 50 moving average, so there is another point, there is another barrier at 50 moving average. But the breakout above resistance could attract more buyer. If not, then I guess it will follow the same box here between this point to this point. Okay, moving to next one. Apple continues to be one of the market most influential company. So after having a very good earning, it's beating all the revenues and estimated earning per share (EPS). It went down, but we are still here at 50 moving average and above 200 moving average. And I would still see that Apple have a potential then that can still go up somewhere around 360 or maybe more, because if you can see the last 1 year of chart, it continuously moving up and up. So even I see there is a very good earning, there is something going happen here, but it will come back to this level and it can go more to 360 in the future. So let's see what is happening for the next couple of weeks, and we can get back to later here. Already moving to next one. Microsoft continues benefiting from the cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and enterprise software demand. Azure growth remains one of the biggest driver. So what happened after earning? It went up, it break this support and a resistance level. This was a support previously, then it became a resistance afterward, touching to that another support. So if you can see, this is going to break this level, and if it breaks, then it can be go around somewhere 530s or even more. So let's see in the future. Moving to next one. Amazon shows the same result. It was under 50 moving and above 200 moving, and suddenly their report looks very good, the earning growth, and the stock becomes to the skyrocket, and it is going to go create a all-time high again. So if it's creating all-time high at this level, if it goes above 280, I will see that Microsoft will continue to move again further to 300 or maybe even 320 somewhere. Moving to next one, SpaceX. I don't see there. I don't see much data here because this is relatively a new. But what I see, this is the support for SpaceX, and if it breaks this, then there will be a continue downfall for SpaceX. Moving to next one, Google. Google remains the leader in digital advertising and artificial intelligence. Search, cloud, and AI product will continue driving investors' expectations. Here, what I see, it went down after having its earning, and then it started coming up, and at currently we are at 50 moving average. I will see this will be breaking easily and it will be follow. So this is, I guess, similar thing can happen in Apple as well. If you can see, after having a very good earning, it went down, and then maybe next couple of weeks it will be covering this gap and have another very good growth like Google. So watch this important technical zone. Moving to next, a Broadcom. I don't see that Broadcom is going to go anywhere. I see there's a couple hikes and couple support touch at 200 moving average, but it still have no indication either side, upside or downside. It's just following in between these boxes. So if I wanted to buy, I would wait until it breaks either side and have a clear direction. So if you guys are trading Broadcom, please watch these important technical zones. Moving to next one, Tesla. Tesla remained one of the most volatile large cap stock. So here after its negative earning, stock plunges to this support and it easily break at the very first day and it keep going down. There is another support. It is like very big support from 2024, more than 2 years. So if it touches this, then there is a high chances it will bounce back to somewhere here and then it coming fall again. But I would still thinking that this will be go down to somewhere around 270s. Not 100% sure because Tesla is super volatile currently. It can, gap up, gap down, anything can happen. Like any single tweet affect stock very much, and this is the very volatile stock in the whole market currently. So I would keep this support and resistance level carefully, because once it break, volatile usually be increasing quickly. All right, moving to next one, Meta. Meta has a support level it had 503. So what happened after its earning? EPS went down, but the revenue went up. It plunges and it's trying to fill up this gap. And what I see, it touches to this point and go down again. But yeah, keep watch this for the next couple weeks and see how Meta reacts to this support and resistance level. Moving to the next one, Walmart. Walmart it's still going to down. It breaks this level, and I guess there is another down movement from this point. Moving to next and last, AMD. So here AMD touches its one of the support and it went up and then it went down, but right now it's again too volatile, so I'll keep these support levels and resistance levels in my mind and trade according to it. But yeah, I don't see there is a point. This is again as a AVGO, it's going to be a range bound somewhere here and here. It's not going to go anywhere from the last 3 to 4 months. So if you guys are trading AMD, please keep watch this level. If it's break any of the side, there will be a high chances to go either side. So that's wrapping up this week complete market analysis. Remember, no one can predict the stock market certainly. Our goal is to identify high probability opportunities while remaining and managing risk. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the market forecast for professionally subscribe to the market forecast for professional weekly market analysis, futures education, technical analysis, and trading insights. Let me know any video if you like to cover in the next week. Please comment that. And which stock or future market are you watching most closely this week? Thank you for watching and have a great trading.